This is without the light and this is with the light. Hello everyone. So many of you are asking me about the light and where did I get from. Link. So the truth is I bought it from physical store here in Kathmandu, Nepal, and most of the comment were from Indian girlies. So I just thought of, like showcasing of my light and this dabba. So without talking a lot, let's start the video. So the light is RL16. So many of you are asking me about the brand. So like brand is not written here. It's written in Chinese. So I don't even know, and there is no manual at all. So I don't even know the brand. So this is what it looks like. I'll be showing you every corner so that you can get exactly the same. So you can see, and at the back it looks like this. You scan this and maybe the product will be shown. It comes with a stand as well. This is the light you guys were asking for. It works with electricity. It's not battery operated or anything. So let me turn it on. So this is what it looks like when I turn it on. Has small remote as well. The warm, this is the medium one, and this is the coolest. You can also adjust it accordingly. You can adjust it as well. Like I just want to make it, oh my god. This is with the light. This is the warmth. This is medium, and this is it. Also, like adjust the brightness level. So this is the brightest one and little bit lower. You can adjust the height as well. You need it, okay. You can see the difference, totally see the difference. So yeah, this was the light, and I also bought a mobile stand because it don't have a mobile stand. I'm using it right now. So the price is, it cost me 2000 after discount, Nepali 2000. You guys gave me a lot of love and support. That's why I had to put this video, because I don't have a link and I'm from Kathmandu, Nepal. So many of you are Indians, so that's why this video was for you. Hope you guys like it and you guys can decide whether you want to buy or not. Bye bye, have a great day or night, and don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Bye.